Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying quick bypasses. Check smart lock, trusted devices, places, or voice can unlock without the PIN. Next, confirm whether USB debugging was previously enabled. If yes, you can use ADB to remove locks. Make sure you have your Google or Samsung account credentials ready and a PC with a working USB cable. Once done, plug the phone in, allow the PC to recognize it, and prepare the tools we'll use next. No reset yet. If USB debugging is active, you'll use ADB commands to remove the lock files. This works because Android stores PIN/pattern data in /data/system. Removing those files forces a lock reset without erasing data. If ADB isn't available, sign into Google Find My Device. Choose Secure Device and set a temporary password to replace the PIN, then unlock and clear the password. For Samsung devices, sign into Find My Mobile and use the Remote Unlock option. That's an official. Once you've removed the lock files or set a temporary password, reboot the device twice to let Android rebuild lock state. Make sure to re-enable a secure lock method immediately. If the PIN still appears, double-check file deletion and permissions. On some phones, you must repeat ADB steps as root or delete additional files such as password. Key. If ADB cannot see the device, try another USB cable, different port, or reinstall drivers on the PC. These connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.